one of the two lawsuits former Sioux City School Superintendent Dr. Paul Gosman filed against the Ford members of the school board has been ruled on.
A district judge says that the school district's board of directors violated Iowa's Open Meetings Act in one of the two closed session meetings Gosman listed in his lawsuit. The details now in our top story tonight at 10. According to court documents, the judge ruled that Dan Greenwell, Jan George, Taylor Goodvin, and Bob Michelson violated Iowa's Open Meetings Act during the school board's closed session on January 24th of 2022. The judge says that the first portion of that meeting violated the law because it, quote, did not comport with the publicly stated reason and notice of the reason for the closed session, end of quote. Meanwhile, the judge also determined a closed session on November 30th of that year did not violate the Open Meetings Act. Today's ruling follows a one-day trial last month. Former Superintendent Dr. Paul Gosman filed that lawsuit claiming that he was not properly notified of the closed meetings that were meant to discuss his job performance. We reached out to Dr. Gosman, and in a statement to KCAU-9, he said, quote, "This matter is ongoing and I cannot comment on pending litigation. I look forward to bringing final resolution to this matter and allowing both parties to focus on what is important, providing educational opportunities for all children through service to our students and communities," end of quote. Meanwhile, current board president Jan George also released a statement on the ruling. He says, quote, "We're pleased that the court ruled in our favor regarding the November 30th, 2022 meeting and the filing of the BOEE complaint. We are currently reviewing our options with respect to the January 24th of 22 ruling with our legal counsel regarding our future actions and affirmative defense of that meeting," end of quote. Now, because Judge Jeffrey Neary determined an open meetings law was violated by the school district, a second phase of that trial is expected to determine remedies, penalties, or mitigation in that case.